Okay guys, so taking the motor out for the first field test revealed some issues I still have going on, primarily in the fuel system. One of the biggest issues was, again, the gas tank, which even though I patched it up with water weld in a previous video that you saw, it started to leak again. So, it held for a little while, a couple fills and uses, but it started to give. So I'm looking to do a more permanent solution. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use this plastic welding kit that I've used in a previous video to repair my kayak. I'll link that video up top now, to essentially weld in plastic on the seam that's causing the problem of the leaks. So I have the welder heating up now. Just like any other, application, make sure everything's clean. I use some sandpaper to scruff this up. You're gonna be working with a hot iron around a gas tank, so make sure this is absolutely clean. There's no gas laying around. I cleaned this out with water and stuff beforehand. Make sure this is clean. You really don't want to obviously be putting something hot around gas. I'm gonna let it heat up. I'm gonna take my little welding sticks. This is made out of the same material that the gas tank is. And then I'm gonna try to weld this into the seams. What we're gonna do is, you wanna heat up both surfaces. So we're gonna, heat up the gas tank itself, and then we're gonna basically just weld this right in. So let's get it done. Okay guys, so to give you a better view of what I'm looking at, I turned the camera around, and really I'm just showing you how I'm going about this. So I'm trying to heat up both the top and the bottom sections so that this plastic is kind of combining and this blue is kind of weaving itself into the old gas tank material. So I'm just coming along and I'm just staying on the seam and just making sure I'm heating everything up as thoroughly as I can, making sure the contents are combining appropriately. And I'm gonna just do this all along the seam. I'll come back a few times and bulk up the material a little bit. This stuff does not have to be perfect. It's really just to make sure, we're gonna seal this crack up, because this is gonna dry as really hard plastic and hopefully give us a permanent finish that will never leak again. So I am gonna actually go ahead and finish this in the garage, because this stuff's pretty nasty and I don't really want to inhale any more than I already have. Make sure if you do this at home, you do it in a really well ventilated area. I just wanted to get the lighting down right for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it now, and I'll show you the result when it's over. So here we have the final result. Again, it's not the prettiest thing, but it should do the job, and it should do it forever. In fixing my kayak, it's been over a year now, dragging it over rocks and through bushes, and it's doing great. If you want to know any more about actually how to use the plastic welder, I would refer back to that video. I'll leave it down in the description, and you could also click the card that I had above. Any other questions, put them down in the comments. And I'll keep you updated about how this holds and how it lasts. I think it should do the job. Appreciate you for watching, and until next time, tight lines, everyone.